Hey, it's Bob Barker with Wilson County Schools. I'm here in Smyrna today at the State High School Bowling Championships where one of our teams, they're already champions before they even throw the first ball down the lane. It's called Unified Bowling, and it's given everything that Wilson Central senior Stevie Wingo could want and even more. Wilson Central is in their first season of Unified Bowling, a grouping that is possible by the TSSAA and their partnership with Special Olympics. Today, their unified team was smack dab in the middle of state tournament play, led by Stevie Wingo, one of the coolest names you'll ever hear. Stevie's mom goes more into detail about his health background.
He has Down syndrome, and he is considered high functioning, but he does have heart problems, and he's had a few medical issues, but for the most part, he's doing great.
High functioning indeed. This dude can flat out bowl, and his teammates are inspired by everything he brings to the lanes and away from them as well.
It's probably one of the best things about the senior year. He's such a good dude, and he's just fun to hang out. He's part of the family, you know? It's fun bowling with him.
Every time we get to go out here and bowl with Stevie, it's just always so much fun because he's always smiling and everything. Like, he's always happy. Even if he throws it in the gutter, he's still gonna come back and bowl it. It's just, every time he just has so much fun when he does it. And, you know, he's literally just part of our family, like Chris was saying. He's really like one of us now.
So where did Stevie's love for bowling come from? Well, it started with an invite from a fellow friend.
We bowl every Sunday before we do Special Olympics bowling on Mondays, and we do it every afternoon. And we spend time together, we watch wrestling, and we FaceTime, we hang out.
But Stevie is more than a teammate. He's a close friend in the eyes of his team.
I've known Stevie for probably a couple months now. When we tried out for bowling, he was there. And he was just such a fun dude to talk to, and he was always laughing. He makes everybody smile all the time.
He was just part of it. Like, we didn't see him as a different person. He see as one of us, you know, and he just fit right in the first day.
His coach is Chuck Hager. Retired from Metro Police after a multi-decade career, Chuck now spends his days in the local youth sports scene and is a non-faculty coach for Wilson Central Bowling. To him, Stevie exemplifies all that is good.
His mom called me and gave me his background and asked could he try out for the bowling team. I said, sure, bring him out. Of course, Stevie bowled very well. He jumped on the team. We couldn't use him in our league play, but due to age restrictions. So we still played. He still practiced with us. Every practice we had, Stevie showed up. He brought his game. He brought a smile every single game, every practice. And then he even traveled with us to a few games to show his support for the other guys and girls.
As Stevie's team looked on today, roll after roll, they wanted to see Stevie succeed. And more times than not, he did. But in this state tournament setting with cheers all around, for Stevie, there was no pressure, just the desire to be with his team and just try his best.
I'm so happy because my friends coming here.
You love these guys, don't you?
Yeah, so much.
So much.
He's a great bowler. He's better than us. You've seen out there, he's just better than us.
He's full of smiles, and it's easy to see that the love he has for his teammates is returned fully from them.
It has really made him a blossom, I guess is a good word for it. He was always kind of quiet. He didn't have a whole lot of friends, but through his sports, he has gained a lot of friends.
And he's happy. He's smiled ever since he's walked through the door today.
Yes.
He did a great job.
Yes, he did.
I know you're super proud of him.
I am.
The Inclusion League is something that these Wildcats are proud to be a part of. And hopefully it's something that can expand further down the road.
There's all kinds of unified events, and I think that would help a lot of students in the school to be friends with these folks, and I've had stories from his mom Diane that what our boulders will talk and hang out with Stevie at school. That means a lot to me.
Their season did come to an end today, and they came up a little short. But when it comes to class and inclusion, these Wildcats rolled a perfect game with no spares, just strikes. They are champions in every sense of the word. I'm Bart Barker with Wilson County Schools.